Welcome to our channel. In this channel, we basically review various ICO program. The projects we personally invest in or the token we buy, we only review those projects. We only review those projects which have the potential to be profitable. Undoubtedly, those are very lucrative topics. If you do a little research and participate in them, you can benefit as much as we do. So let's start today's video without wasting time. In today's video, we will discuss about student coin. I think this is a very profitable program, so let's go the student coin official website and check the program out. So friends, this is the official website of student coin. Studentcoin.org is their official website link. You can get this link in the description of this video. This is the interface of student coin official website. Look, here is the launched ICO, then roadmap, team, community, and other more options are there. Now we check more details about this projects in their official website. StudentCoin is the fast crypto platform that allow user to easily design, create, and manage personal startup, NFT, and DeFi token. Now we know some more details about this STC token. They allow for wide-scale tokenism by building the platform of both people and organization to easily create, manage, and develop their own token. Tokenization is the future of the economy where every person and company has its own token. Student coin allow the creation of custom token and can be used for crowdfunding, trading, governing, voting, and or payment. The token built with student coin are valued based on the central reference currency STC token and can be trade and crowdfunded at the student coins platform STC exchange. DeFi token issued by student to decentralize their student loan is one example of how STC based token can be used. STC token is already listed in Web Exchange, Uniswap, and CoinTiger. So if you want to buy or sell token instantly, then you have the option in these projects. Now some of the goals of this project, here is the all goals of this projects in there. Please check it out very carefully. Now we check some importance of STC token. Look, here some of the importance of this STC token. STC is a reliable fundamental long-term projects based on academic values. STC will allow you to create your own token and manage its issue at the STC exchange. Then STC token holder will receive a cyclic payment generated in the exchange STC exchange from token trading fees and crowdfunding. After that, STC is building a global community that connect the both token holder and student, just like social media of the beginning. Then STC token works as the central and reference currency. By owning STC, the holder own part of all token ever created with student coin. STC created the educational panel to promote tokenization and educate about economic finance and new technologies. Now we check the roadmap of this project. So the roadmap is a very important things of a project, so please check the roadmap very carefully. This is the 2017 fourth quarter, creating the STC ecosystem idea and establish the core team. After that, second quarter of 2018, preparing the back end as well as the legal and accounting social solution for the token launch. Then first quarter of 2019, announcement of the company and backend preparation. After that, fourth quarter of 2019, launching the web token version and fast DX listing. Then second quarter of 2020, creating STC version of ERC20 standard and token pre-listing. Then third quarter of 2020, implementation of STC educational panel and STC voting. After that, fourth quarter of 2020, distribution of STC of the world top 100 university. Then first quarter of 2021, student coin officially launched during STC launchpad ICO. Then second quarter of 2021, STC listing at major crypto exchange. Then third quarter of 2021, listing the STC exchange, STC terminal, and STC app for the public. Then the plan fourth quarter of 2021, listing the first personal startup or associational and organizational and DeFi token at STC exchange. Then their plan 2022 establishment and sustainable tokenism ecosystem with STC as the reference currency. This is the team of Student Coin, the global team, the OJKS, the founder and CEO, then Andrew, after that Caroline, Daniel, Michael, Cesar, Peter and Jacob. You can get information and their LinkedIn ID in there. And this is some media section of STC token and some important news of this token, and then the FAQ section. If you have some simple question about this project, please check FAQ section and you get your simple question answer in there. At the bottom of their website, there you get some social media link of this project. Please stay connected with those links and get update from their social media. Friends, so far this was our video for today. We hope all of you like STC projects and all of you like us will participate in Student Coin token, hold it for a few days and make a good profit from these projects. Thanks for watching the full video. Please like and share our video with your friends and subscribe our channel for get more update about different types of ICO program. See you in the next video. Thank you.